Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Esther. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video today. I am going to show you guys a few things that I grabbed at the Walgreens this week, and there's a different few transactions that I did. So two I did on almost repeat. I did the same things. I'll show you guys different promotions and things like that. I've got like a few in-store footage, but I actually did not film most of this. So I was like, let me just walk you guys through it to see what I bought. I did 3 different transactions, building up my transaction on each one that I used $20 in Walgreens cash. If you guys are new, welcome. Go ahead and take a moment to subscribe if you have not. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for tuning into another video today. I'm so happy you tuned in again. All right, so this was the first transaction that I did right here. I feel like I'm missing something, or am I missing something? No, I'm not. It's just small. All right, so here's the first transaction. So 3 different promotions happening here. We have the Chic. These are on sale for $9.99 each. We have $4 digital coupons for the women and $4 digital for the men. And they are on promotion for when you spend $20, you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And then, so these 2 only took me to $19.98. So I added the Skin to Mate shaving cream. These are $3.99, and we do have a $1 digital coupon as well. I wanted to test the Her Wellness to see if that was still printing. Unfortunately, it didn't print for me today. I tried 2 different transactions to see, but it didn't. So this secret is supposed to be included in the Her Wellness for when you spend $20 to get back the $5. I did not get back that $5 for the P&G, but I did get the $5 printable coupon. I'm sorry. I got back the $5 Catalina because they are on promotion for when you buy 3, you're going to get back $5. We do have a $5 digital coupon for that one. And these are $7 each. So 3 of them took me to $21, and then minus the $5 and then getting back $5. Okay, so I did the Dove. These are on sale this week for $8. And then when you buy 2, you're going to get back $3 in register reward. I was excited to do this deal because we have a fetch rebate as well as Ibotta rebates as well. So the fetch rebate is when you spend $15, you're going to get back $4 from me. And then Ibotta was giving back $3 each. So that was what, 6 plus 4? That's $10 coming back right there, plus $3. And then these are buy 2, get back 3 with a $4 digital coupon. So that was all of the first transaction. Let me show you guys the receipt. I did not have a lot of register rewards to roll. Plus, I did have the Her Wellness one. And it expired yesterday, which I did not make it in store. But here is my receipt. So here is the Secret. Here is the Dove, the Chic products. Oh, and that's Skintimate. Did not ring up for $3.99. It rang up full price for $4.29. Crazy. All right, here are the Catalinas that I used, 10, 3, and 5. And then coupons there, $5 for the Secret, $4 for the Dove, $4 for the Chic products, and the $1 there. Use 20 in Walgreens cash, pay the rest out of pocket. It did not show me what I got back, but I should have gotten back $7 for spending $40, $5 for this. And I also did use a $5 point booster, so that would have given me an extra $5 there. I did get all of the Catalinas that I was supposed to get, which I took and rolled into my next transaction here. So for the next transaction, I picked up the Dove. They are on promotion for when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $3 in register rewards. I did have an Ibotta rebate for this Dove product here, but I think it was already taken out of my gallery and out of my list. When I submitted it, I did not get credit. Plus, I think they were buy 2 to get back 5 or something like that, but it didn't show up for me. These says $11.99 with a $11 with $4 of digital coupon. And then I picked up this Dove hair care. This is $4 with a $2 digital coupon. And then I did the buy 4 to get back 5. So $5.49 each, $1.50 here, $1.50 there, $1 and $1. And then we still have these on promotion for when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $5. I'm sorry, $8. So these are $7.99 each. We do have a $3 for the men, $3 for the women. So then I wanted to try the Her Wellness here again to see if it was still printing, because I did this last week and it worked, because the Venus qualifies for this, and these toothbrushes actually qualify for that as well. Oh, you know what? No, I did not make it. Oh, I see the mess up here. So I did not make it to the $20. I just realized that I didn't make it to the $20. So scratch that. That would not have worked. But I picked up 3 of these. These are on promotion for when you buy 2, you're going to get back $5. And when you buy 2, you're going to get back $3 in register rewards. But I had a 5 off of 3, which is why I ended up picking up 3 of those. And then that was fine there. And I think that was all that I had in this transaction. So let me show you guys my receipt for this one. And the register, first off, the cashier did not put my digital coupons through. I'm sorry, my Jesus, why am I losing my thought? My manufactured register rewards through. So she voided it, and thank God, she's so good, she ended up giving those back to me. So I was like, well, that made up for the $5 that I let expire the other day. All right, so here's my receipt. Here's the Tide, the Bounce, Tide Downy. Here's the Gillette, the Venus, the Oral-B, and then the Dove product right there. Register rewards that I used. And then for coupons, here is that 5 off of 3, 4 for the Dove, 3 and 3 for the Gillette, $2 for the Dove, $1.50 for the Tide products, and then here's the other $1, and then use 20 in Walgreens cash. I didn't have any point booster to use there, and then got back the $7 for spending $40 there. So that was my second transaction. I'll show you guys all of the register rewards that I got in a few minutes. And then this was the last transaction that I did. Again, I'm also tracking towards spend 46 times to get back $25 in Walgreens cash. So this was 1, 2, 3. So this is 4th trip for me here. So in this transaction, this is a repeat. So I did the gain instead of the Tide here. So picking up 4 items, $1.50 here. I picked up the softener, $1.50 here. The liquid, I'm sorry, $1 and $1.50, and then picked up the dryer sheets, and then there's $1 digital there. So those was the buy 4 to get back 5. And then we still have this promotion going on. These are $9.99 and this is $10.99. I did have a $3 digital for the gain there, and a $3 digital for the Downy there as well. And then I picked up the Colgate. These are $4.50 buy 2 to get back 4. And then I did this again because we have like a dollar on each there as well. And then I needed one more item to get me over the $60 mark. I picked this up. Can't recall how much it was. I'll show you guys on the receipt, but we do have a $1 digital coupon there. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt for this one. I literally did this morning while I was running an errand for work. So here it goes. So here's the Gain products, $5.49 each. Here is the Downy, $10.99. The Snuggle was $3.99. The Gain at $9.99. The Crest at $3, Oral-B at $3, and the Colgate there. Use a paper booster for $5. And then the register rewards that I got from here, I rolled them on here as well. For digital coupons, here's the 4 for the Colgate, the 3 and the 3 for the Gain, and the Downy, $1.50, $1.50, $1 for those products there, and that $1 for the Gain. Subtotal $25.93 with tax, $28. Use 20 in Walgreens cash, and then I did get back $12, so $5 for that paper booster, and then $7 for the digital booster there. So let me show you guys all of the Catalinas that I ended up getting back, which was really, really good. I was so excited. So here's $4 for the Colgate. $5 for buying 4 of these products. $5 for, that was for my last transaction, for buying 2 of these products. $3 for the Oral-B products. And then, so this would have been the second set right here. So $5. Oh no, that's right. They printed it twice. So this would have been the same thing because she had to void it out. So overall, pretty good transaction. In the store, I started doing some footage, and so my store was completely out of the Axe coupons. But thank God I ran into a friend, and she had a few of these. She was able to give me some, but I didn't have any to pick up. But they're on promotion for buy 3 to get back 5, and then it's also that same promotion for Fetch, where you can get $4 for spending $15. So unfortunately, my store didn't have enough. But if you have these coupons and you can buy these items, that's a really, really good deal as well. I think that was all that I have. Nope, I think these were like the first sets. Yeah, these were the first set of coupons of Catalinas that I got. Trying to see. So here's that $8 for the Venus, and which this set also printed extra. So yeah, so that's it, guys. I want to say just thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is all that I've got for you guys. Let me show you guys my receipt once more if you guys want to take advantage of these. So I'm loving these because I'm not using any paper coupons, meaning anybody can do these deals. You know, if you have an account, these are all digital, very simple deals that anyone can do. All right, guys, thank you all so much for tuning in. And don't forget, we do have a P&G rebate happening. So some of these products are included for the P&G. So just take the time to go through. I'll have the link in the description box below for you guys. If you don't have a P&G account, you can sign up. I think they give you 50 points or something like that. Me as well, because I'm referring you. Blah blah blah. But this is all, guys. Thank you all for tuning in to another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.